Hello student, today we are going to learn ascending and descending order. This is part of chapter number 2, number work, 4th standard mathematics. Ascending and descending order we learn in 3rd standard. In this standard we learn ascending and descending order of 4-digit numbers. First we see example. Cupboard of several different companies are on a sale in a shop. The price of one is 4,750 while that of another is 6,200 rupees and that of third rupees 3,980. Means in a shop there are 3 different cupboards and the price of these cupboards are given. Now the price of the costliest cupboard is 6,200. See, these are 1, 2 and 3 different cupboards in a shop and the price of costliest cupboard is 6,200. The price of cheapest means less price, is 3,980 in these 3 cupboards. Understood? First we write costliest price of cupboards means more price of this cupboards is 6,200 and cheapest means very less price of cupboard is 3,980 in the shop. Now we have to write the price in ascending order and the price in descending order. Price in ascending order means we have to write down the price from lowest to highest. Understood? Ascending means we have to write down price from lowest price to highest price and descending means we have to rise from highest price to lowest price. First we write down ascending order. Now in ascending order we have to write down first cheapest or smallest price of cupboard. Cheapest cupboard is 3,980. We write down first. Then 4,750. Then smallest to biggest or cheapest to costliest. Costliest is 6,200. Now the price in descending order. Descending order means costliest to cheapest or in other word biggest to smallest. Understood? For descending order. And for ascending order what we can write? Smallest to biggest. Understood? Now biggest or costliest price is 6,200, then 4,750 and then 3,980. Means this is descending order and this is ascending order. Understood? Now see the example. Write the numbers 2,980, 3,000, 5,125 in ascending and descending order. We have given number and we have to write down the number in ascending and descending order. Ascending order means we have to write down number from smallest to biggest. Understood? Which is smallest number of these 3 numbers? Yes, 2,980 is smallest number. Then 3,000 and then biggest 5,125. We have to write down from smallest to biggest in ascending order. Means we have write down in this way. Now descending order. Descending order means we have to write down number from biggest to smallest. Biggest number is 5,125. Then bigger 3,000 and smallest number is 2,980. Means we write down number from biggest to smallest. Understood? Now we solve exercise on this. Write the number in ascending and descending order. First example, 2345, 2349, 2347. Ascending order, we have to write down smallest number first. Which is smallest number in these three numbers? We have to check first 1000 place of these numbers are same, then 100 place are also same, then tens place same, then unit place 5, 9, 7. Which is smallest? 5 means 2345 is smallest number. Then smaller, yes, this 2347, and biggest number 2349. This is biggest number. We can write down from smallest to biggest. Now in descending order, we have to write down biggest number first. We know that biggest number is 2349, then 2347, then 2345. This is ascending order and this is descending order. Understood? Now see the next example. 6000, 5070, 3007. We have to write down ascending order first, then descending order. In ascending order, we have to write down smallest number first. Which is smallest number? Yes, this is the smallest number, 3007. Then 5070, then 6000, and now descending order. Descending order is very easy. First write down 6000, then 5070. This is biggest number, then bigger, and then smaller number 3007. Third example, 5007, 2007, 3007. In this number, ascending order, descending order. In ascending order, we have to write down smallest number first, 573. Write down this is smallest, 2007, then 3007, then 5007. Understood? Smallest, smaller, biggest. Now descending order. In descending order, we have to write down biggest number first, then bigger, and then smallest. Understood? Biggest, bigger, smallest. Now see the next example. 1009, 1900, 1019. Ascending order. Ascending order, we have to write down smallest number first. Here 1000 place are same, then compare 100 place, 0, 9, 0 means these are 100 place also same, then check tens place, 0, 0, right, means smallest number is 1009, then smaller number 1019, and biggest is 1900. Now descending order, 1900, 1090, 1009. Next example, 4180, 6180, 7180. In ascending order, smallest number first, 4180, 6,180, 7,180. Now descending order. 7,180, 6,180, 4,180. Understood? Now next example. 2,970, 3,456, 1,357. Ascending order, then descending order. In ascending order, we write down smallest number first, 1,357, then 2,917, then 3,456. We write down number from smallest to biggest. Now descending order, opposite of that, biggest to smallest. 3,456, then 2,917, then 1,357. Okay, thank you.